Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we will do part 2 of Kegel exercises. In the part 1 we did Kegel exercises in 2 different positions. Today we are going to learn 2 more different positions that you can perform the Kegel exercises in. Let's get started. So you want to lie down and then turn to your side. So you are nice and relaxed. Place your hand under your head, or you can take a piece of material or a small pillow, and this hand can relax wherever it feels the most convenient. And once you are ready, we're going to do the same Kegel exercises, essentially 3 movements. So you want to bring the penis in, then stop the flow of urine, stop passing of gas, and then pulling up the anus, holding for 3 to 5 seconds and releasing. Then give rest about 5 seconds. And then second round, bringing in the penis, stopping the flow of urine, passing gas, and lifting the anus all the way up and releasing. Release and relax. Number 3, bringing the penis in, inward, passing of the urine, passing of the gas, and pulling the anus up and releasing. Then the next position you can apply the Kegel exercises are in the relaxing position on the belly. Make sure you are nice and fully relaxed. Then you want to do the same. You want to pull your penis inward, and you should actually feel it since you are on the ground. Then stopping the flow of urine, stopping passing gas, and pulling up the anus. And release. Relax for about 5 seconds. Second round, penis in, stopping the flow of urine, stopping the passing gas, and lifting the anus up. Release, relax. One last time. Penis in, stopping flow of urine, passing gas, and lifting the anus up. Release and relax. Whenever you're ready, sit up. So here are another 2 other positions in which you can practice the Kegel exercise. Make sure that you are only performing between 3 to 5 times. So you go ahead, welcome to follow along and repeat that 2 times, morning and evening. Keep me updated how it's going, and don't forget to give me a like if you like this video and share with others who might be in need of this. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I look forward to see you in my upcoming videos. Namaskar.